Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So gold steady as traders assess geopolitical tariff developments. Gold gains on trade moves, dovish Fed bets. Gold rose to a 3380 per ounce on Thursday, recouping losses from the previous session to trade at a two-week high as renewed US tariff threats and expectations of dovish monetary policy boosted the appeal of non-interest bearing bullion. Okay, so you can see that more or less the market sentiment is bullish for gold, and this is the chart of gold in front of us. As we all know, okay, not yesterday, sorry, okay, on 5th August, okay, on 5th of August, last Tuesday, there was a good amount of selling on the chart of gold. At one point, okay, we felt that, okay, finally we are having a trend reversal. But as discussed, okay, 3350 was a crucial level and market took support and bounced. After taking support around 3350, okay, market recovered. Market made a high of 3390. Listen to me carefully. Market took support around 3350. Market made a high of 3390. Okay, after that market came for retracement, and now you can see that market is going up, going down, going up, going down, and we don't have a trend. So if you are a swing trader, if you have a buy right now on gold, you can hold your buy position. Okay, as long as gold is trading above 3350, you can hold your buy position, no need to exit. Okay, because there's a good chance that, okay, market will be bullish. If market breaks 3350, it's a danger sign and you need to exit from your buy position immediately. And if you're a day trader, okay, if you're a day trader, then things are confusing and difficult, because for day traders, okay, the trend of the market is not clear. We have many difficulties and challenges on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so before I proceed with the levels and rest of the video, okay, let me be very honest, okay, and tell you clearly that we do not have any proper levels on the chart of gold as of now. And if we look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we have initial jobless claims data. So be careful during the news. There will be some volatility, but okay, initial jobless claims data is not a big event like NAP or CPI that can change the direction of the market. But still, there will be volatility, craziness for 30 minutes, 1 hour. Be careful. Okay, be careful. And as we all know, okay, when news dominate the market, tacticals do not work. Okay, just save it in your head. And as we have just discussed, that if you are a swing trader, okay, if you are a swing trader, you have a buy on gold, you can hold your buy position because the overall chart is bullish. Okay, obviously market will be facing resistance around 343050 area, but that is far away. So swing traders can hold your buy position. Day traders, okay, you have a tough time ahead. Let me tell you why. Because if we look at the market here, okay, do we see a proper trend? Obviously, the answer is no. Because in a trending market, suppose if we have a trending market, the best strategy is, okay, buy at retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, we buy at breakout. Similarly, okay, if a market is in downtrend, okay, the simple trading strategy is, okay, sell at resistance, okay, or sell on rise. Means when market will hit the resistance, we can look for a sell position. Similarly, okay, in sideways market, okay, we have a market trading in a range, so we can look for buy at support, seller resistance. This is the simple trading strategy we follow. And in case of bullish market, if market doesn't come for retracement, we buy at breakout. In case of bearish market, if market doesn't go up for recovery, we can sell at breakdown. Simple trading strategy and very powerful also. But here you can clearly see the market is not trending properly. So buying at retracement, okay, is little bit difficult here. Okay, and if we look at the breakouts also, you can clearly see the breakouts are also not very powerful. So the first option is not applicable here. If a market is not trending properly, then market must be sideways, means buy at support, sell at resistance, isn't it? So here you can see that that is also not functioning properly, because if we look at the previous highs and lows, okay, you can see the market is also not trading in a range, means you cannot go for buy at support or sell at resistance as well. So it's a choppy kind of a market. Okay, market is trying to recover, but market doesn't have volume. So okay, there's a mixed feeling here. So that's why gold trading is difficult. Okay, so if you have, okay, buy, hold your buy, but if you're looking for a fresh position, you can look for positions outside gold as well. For example, euro USD, you can see, okay, there's a high chance that market will be going for a breakout bull run. You can look for a buy there as well. Okay, anyways, gold lovers, okay, gold lovers, if market comes down, okay, then we can look for, okay, buy around 3350, 3343. These are the levels where you can look for a buy position. Why? 3350, you know, okay, market took support, round number psychological level, so it's a good level to buy. And around 3343, 3341, because of the previous support around this area. So these are the best levels where we can look for a buy position. But the problem is that these levels are far away from the current market price. So do we have any immediate level? You can see I have drawn a trend line. Okay, after a long time, maybe after 1 or 2 years, okay, I have drawn a trend line here. But here you can see that market has already tested a trend line 4 times. So the trend line is also losing strength, because market doesn't like compounding. But still, okay, if you see market taking support around 68767 area, okay, you can look for a buy position, because the trend line will be there to provide support. But is this very reliable? Obviously no. Okay, then we also have a support around 337471. You can almost see market is standing at a support, but the selling pressure is quite high. After 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, if you see market taking support, you can go for a buy here as well. But keep in mind, gold's trend is not very clear to us right now, so do not go for big lot sizes. Okay, as I already said, okay, if you're not a big fan of gold, you can look for positions outside gold. Okay, but if you only trade on gold, then obviously you'll have to look for positions here only. So we can look for a buy position here if market takes support. Okay, then we can also look for a buy. None of them are very reliable. Okay, they are more or less, I won't say very strong, but 335043 are better levels to buy. Okay, selling pressure is high right now, so there's a high chance that, okay, market may break it also. Wait and watch, then only take the decision. During the day, okay, we can look for a buy above 3386, because market will be going above this area. Okay, how much we can expect? We can only expect 40 to 50 pips, because we also have a resistance at 3391. Once market breaks 3391, we can look for a buy above it, but be careful. Okay, be very careful, because it will be a dangerous area. So here also, if you go for a buy above 3391, do not go for a big lot size, because that is also high risk. You can see here that everything is high risk right now, because gold is trading in a very fragile zone without any strong levels here. If you go for a buy above 3386, do not expect much, because around 1991 market will be facing resistance. Okay, if gold breaks 3400, अगर gold 3400 के level को तोड़ता है, okay, then you can expect that, okay, more or less the road is clear. Gold will be going for 342030. Okay, but until and unless gold crosses 3400, okay, buying at breakout will remain dangerous. Okay, so be careful. Okay, so if market gives us an opportunity during the US session to buy above 3391.92 area, you can go for a buy if the breakout seems to be good, but avoid big lot sizes, because there is a possibility of a false breakout as well. Okay.